Back in the car, Dave.
All right, Jim. All right, Jim. You're the one that sent me out here. Just gotta look at the head of this thing one more time.
I understand.
The sun should be coming out here.
Holy backside funnel clouds, Dave. You better get the hole in that cloud. Get the shirt.
Jim, it's raining.
The wipers on. Get the shirt.
All right, Jim. Yeah. Check it out. We're out here momentarily a few minutes ago. Look at the hole forming on the back of this strange funnel cloud right here. It's starting to cave in now. Check it out. It's raining. What the heck is coming out of the back side of this thing? Get a square edge too if you have windy or rainy in here. I gotta protect this camera phone. It's the only one I got, or I have to make another channel. Check it out. I saw this earlier. That's what turned it. Figure out this sun will be popping out of here any moment. Check it out. We'll be right back. Might as well show behind me too before I jump back in the car. Here we go.
Dave, it's like I said, the sun's gonna be coming out of that cloud wall right there in a few moments. Get ready for the shot, Dave. The folks are gonna be disappointed.
It's going to shimmer on these smaller clouds too, Jim.
That's what I'm saying.
Sure.
Ah! Here it comes, Dave. You know what to do.
Yeah, I know what to do.
The shot. Ah.
All right, Jim.
Get the shot, Dave.
You're right, Jim. It is coming out right when you said, too. How he knows this stuff. Yeah, it's reflecting on those clouds like you said, Jim. Check it out, man. Jeez, the camera's gonna get wet.
Dave, come over the car. Gonna protect that road.
Doing the best I can, Jim. You're right, it is reflecting off those smaller clouds.
Back in the car, Dave. We're gonna salvage it.
All right, Jim, very good.
Okay, Dave. Now get ready for the full blast. It hasn't completely come out from the cloud wall yet.
You're right, Jim.
Keep an eye out, Dave.
Oh, you're right, Jim.
I told you, it's about to appear. What I want you to do is, as soon as it comes halfway out, jump out of the car again.
All right, Jim. Oh.
It's almost there, Dave. Jump out there, jump out now.
You're right, Jim, you're right.
Try to block the rain when you right.
I'm trying to block the rain with my body, Jim. It's hard to do, Jim.
I know this, Dave.
Look at that, we got a spaceship in front of it. You're right, Jim. Check it out. Here it comes now. He knew it was coming out of the cloud wall. Yeah. Oh, it is raining, folks. As you can see, it is raining. It is raining. This is what we got around us now. People are running for cover. The prophet must stay on duty, though, as you can see. Scruffy beard looking all cutie. The prophet must stay on duty. All right, there we have it. Just in time because they get blocked out by this. I don't know what it is. What the heck is this, folks? Write your opinions in the comment section, please. Prophet needs some help on this one. And that one. It's all pretty confusing. Alright, there it is gone, folks. The sun has been eaten up by another ship of some kind. Alright, we gotta get back.
Back in the car, Dave.
Alright, Jim, I'll be right there. Man, we gotta keep our eyes on this, but it's moving fast. Folks, it's moving fast. I don't know what the heck this thing is. Check the edge out. I know Timmy's going to be watching the edge. Timmy, you're watching the edge on this. Brother Natural, he's going to be watching it. The mouth on that thing now. Yeah. Okay. We'll be right back.
Dave, before you come back in the car, there's a rainbow behind you.
Huh?
Yeah, rainbow.
Oh, okay, Jim. Jeez, you're right, Jim. I don't know how he knows this stuff. Yep. It's just starting, Jim.
I know that's right.
Jim, get off my shoulder, man. Oh, we got... Oh, it's going all the way over here. And it's intercepting the jet trail. Let's see if I can get that. Yes, there's the jet trail hidden in the background, trying to sneak past the Prophet. There it is. There's some of the remnants of that jet trail to try to sneak through while we were looking at the other disturbances. There it is, folks. Yes, yes. And there's the tail end dipping down in here. We have to...
Dave, shoot in front of there, Dave.
You're right, Jeff. The thickness on this thing is dense. It's denser than the Prophet. There's a jet trail behind it. Lurking there is a seam of the cloud wall seam. Professor DK and associates are probably checking this out. Oh, folks, this is a... Oh, what's that? It's a drone surveillance bird. Hold on. Oh, we're going to catch it coming out. Yes, yes. The Prophet has caught the drone surveillance bird sent in by Professor DK and Associates to use as a decoy spy camera. And there's another jet trail seam there, possibly. All right, we gotta go. We gotta go. We're gonna get the camera tidied up a little bit. Sorry, this Jimmy the Jet Trail Prophet is a little bit excited here because more to come, more to come. Oh, dang right, there's more to come. Check it out. The rainbow got bigger. We got another Cloud Wall interception. What the heck? Check out the remnant of this jet trail here as the rainbow pierces through, or the jet trail is to... Check this out. Look at that. Folks, this is too crazy. The Prophet is going nuts once again. Cindy, the Prophet is going nuts.
Dave, back in the car, Dave.
I can't help it, Jim. The Prophet is going mad. Look at what the heck? We got the double side winding. Intergalactic spatula and slapdick. Check it out. 1, 2. See? I'm gonna sneak past the Prophet. No way, man. Is Jimmy on my side? Let's go see what the front looks like. Jim, why don't you let me know?
I was helping me slowly with the camera.
All right, Jim. So it popped out now. Snuck out behind us. What the heck? Is this feathery stuff up here?
Dave, I don't know what that is.
Oh, it's too fuzzy to focus on. It's that confusing stuff. Look at the edges on that. See up there. And down here we got the boomies. Check it out. What the heck, man? They're rising up like the blonde hair on Flo Jiden's legs.
Yeah, Dave. I promise you the blonde hair on my legs will rise and fall and rise again.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Back in a few moments. With us. Oh man, look at this, look at this. Look at these boomer puffers underneath here. They've reacted with the rainbow jet trail frequencies. All right, we gotta go. This is too much of a problem.
Dave, back in the car, Dave.
All right, John.